like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and doing like them.
Hi guys! I got my Temu bag out, and yes, I just got out of the shower, and I have no makeup on, no nothing. My hair's still wet, but the kids are on their way, because I have to have them for 3 days again. So, we're going to do this as fast as we can, because we don't want them tearing into it, like they did last time. Because I had another haul, and I ended up having to just give them their stuff and hide the rest. So the first thing I'm getting is these. These were free, but of course on the screen I'll put what price they are now. But they're little fake Hey Dudes. And I find with these, most of these are not very comfortable compared to the Hey Dudes. But if you put an insole in there, it's just fine. So I got those. And they were free, so can you really go wrong? Was free. I don't think you can go wrong with free. Okay. And then, oh yeah, I bought this. And this was free too. And this is one of the ones you can go wrong with free. Because where I've been putting those macrame plant hangers in my store. Okay. They've been selling for $5. Well, so I thought I'll try tans. They're just all white. This is what the freebie was. No, we won't try tan. We'll throw these away because they're not really worth anything. Sorry to the person who spent their time trying to make that. But yeah, it's not worth it. Okay, and this one I can't show you either because the kids still have not put up that damn swing set I got the kids for Easter. And it makes me mad because Daniel has been here I don't know how many times. I guess I'm just going to have to call Ashton and ask Ashton to do it. At least Ashton will do it. Daniel comes down here once to visit, and I'm like, you could put this together in no time. But this is a baby swing for it. And it's got all the equipment, but it's one of those cloth ones. And it's got the padding. So, you know, once Daniel decides to get off his big butt, I mean, it's his kids. I know what's going to end up happening. When the weather cools down, either me and Don or me and Linda's going to end up putting this thing together. But I can't do it right now because it is just way too hot. And I don't have my air conditioner off, so when it comes back on, I'm sorry. But it's way too hot, and with my asthma, I can't be out in it. I've even paid someone to mow my yard this week because I can't do it. It's like in the mid-90s. And it feels like it's over 100, and it's been that way here since May. Now this is just wrong. This is just wrong. But I'll put a picture of what it looks like once I put it up there. What it'll look like. But because you know the babies have to have swings, baby swings. They can't, you know, they can't do the regular ones yet. Oh, and yeah, and I bought these because these are the only kind. Things I can get my fat ass on. Cool things I can get my fat ass on. Of course, now it needs a new pump, so I guess we're shooting for next year. Because between the car and the pump, well, yeah, you need a car more. Well, no shit. So anyway, these make it really easy because you can get in there, and then you can kind of pry it between your legs, and then just flip your legs on. Because they're thinner, so they're easier to get on. So I got these, and then I turned around, and those were like $16, which is about what they cost in the store, but they're getting hard to find. So I got those, and then, I don't know what happened, but I turned around and got these free. Picked those for my free thing, like I never, because usually what I do is I put the stuff in my cart, that I want, so it comes up free, you know, on your free list too. And then I'll get it free, and then forget I got it free. Because we're crazy like that. Because we're crazy like that. So anyhow, I got some for next year anyway. Oh, and these are needles for beading needles. And I have a beater in here, but I'm not going to be able to show you how that works today. So I'll probably do a short on it like I did with my breakfast sandwich maker. Oh, I love that thing, by the way. I use it all the time. Oh, and then I paid, when I didn't have my jug, you know, I felt like I was dying without it. You know, because I have to drink all the time. And this keeps cool. And so I thought, well, this will get me by in the meantime. Yeah, and it would have if I had got it in time. See, this is the same kind of, not the same kind, but close to the same kind. See, this, on mine, this is down here, but it doesn't really matter. But it's the steel insulated kind. Of course, I would have been filling it up constantly, but because, you know, I have to drink over a gallon a day. Well over a gallon a day. So, there's that. So I just got it. I figure somebody will want it. Then this is the beading machine. And I can show you how it works. And I might put their video, if I can get it, next to it. This one's electric and it plugs in. My other one was battery operated. But see what it does, you put beads in here and this rotates. And you take one of the beading needles and you just hold it here and it fills up your whole string. It's really easy to do, quick and easy to do. And I don't know what this is. This is, I don't know, this might be their beader starter. I bet it is because there's little beads right there. But anyway, it's probably their version of a beading needle. I like the big ones with the hook. Those are the best ones. You know, they're regular beading needles, but they have it curves at the end. Those are the best ones. Oh, I probably ought to put this back in there too. It had to do with it. In case something goes wrong. It's been years. I had one, and I don't know if it's still back there, but I think my granddaughter accidentally broke it. But we used it for years. Her and I both shoot in it, so. But I think she accidentally broke it when she was doing something. Okay, now I got more of these to put in my store. I haven't put any in there yet because I'm waiting for my stamp to come. Because these I can just mass do. I think they're pretty cool myself. And I may even try to figure out how to make them myself. Yeah, I did macrame back in the day. These are the keychains. And there's, in this one there's 3 brown ones. 2 brown ones. No, they're all different colored browns. They're all different colored browns. And then you have peach, gray, off-white, white, and then another gray. Another color of gray. They're all different colors. So those will go in my stash back there ready to be, because I'll take them there and to the craft show for the kids. Oh, and here's, I believe this is another one of those cheapo, not so good for your pots and pans, those. Yeah, it's another one like that. You don't, it's not going to be strong enough to hold anything. Not really. But I might take this one out. This one's a little bit better than that one. Now these are things I got the girls for their rooms. And I thought it was only 1 for this price. But it ended up being 2. So, go me. Because I would have bought 1 for this price. But don't tell nobody because I raised the price. But see, it's a little moon hanger for their wall. Macrame hanger for their wall. And there's 2 of them. See, there's 2 of them. What's this one? And they come with the hangers, you know, for apartment living. And they also come with 2 sets of lights for them. So that's for the girls. And now I've lost one of the battery packs in the chair somewhere. Trying to hurry. But I thought those were just perfect. They were just pretty. But I had bought the purple one, and I thought, well, as they get older, they're going to want, you know, they're going to complain that they only got one, and then there's two of them. So I thought she could put that one in the middle and put these on each side. Because, you know, right now, Bub and Okie are sharing a room just till Skylar gets a little bit bigger. And then Skylar and Okie will, because they had her in the crib in their room for a while. So, and they were both, you know, Bub's the one scared of the dark, so. And here's another one of those cheapo ones. This is the cheapo one. So we'll throw that away. I don't even know what this is. Oh, this is the kids' game. Okay, they already have that. Yeah, they took ownership of some of that stuff. And then here's another pair of those shorts, or those flip-flops with the nubs on them. And I thought I would put those out there for sale because I got one pair. They always hurt your feet so bad until you get the nubs wore off. So I thought, well, I'll just put one out there and maybe somebody will want it. You know, put $5 on it or something. So anyway, I know it's a short haul, but this is everything that's gotten here by now. So I can get this stuff put away from the kids. Because they think if it's there, you can play with it. And I gotta get on them all the time. So anyway, that's our Temu haul this week. Come on back, like, subscribe, do the YouTube stuff. And I'm going to catch my breath before they comes back. Bye.